Hi there, this is Jen, and thanks for stopping by my channel for the Not Too Shabby a box of the month hop and giveaway. This is actually part two. Part one ran from the 1st through the 6th, and this is part two, which will go, the giveaway is from today, October 7th, and will run through the 13th. And the giveaway is for a $25 a gift card to the Not Too Shabby shop. To be entered into the giveaway, all you have to do is go ahead and click on the link in my description box below. It is the Rafflecopter link, and that is how you will enter the giveaway. We would also love it if you would stop by each channel and share your comments and thoughts on this box. And to visit all of the participants in this hop, you can go ahead and click on the hashtag that is listed in the title of this video, as well as in the description of the video. So I'm just going through the contents of the box. Those owls are so super adorable. I really love the stencil as well. It's by Call Me Crafty Owl. It's a layering stencil. And then there are two 6x6 paper pads. This is called Deck the Owls. And all of the designs you get are shown on the front. I've already kind of torn into mine and broken the seal, and so it kind of came apart in two pieces. But again, really fabulous double-sided 6x6 paper. And the next paper pad is called Winter Magic, and these coordinate perfectly with the ephemera that comes in the box. This is still available, so you can go ahead and check out the link below if you're interested in purchasing this. I went ahead and I stamped up and colored my cute little owls first, so I stamped those up in Memento black ink and colored those up with some Copic alcohol markers. And then I'm going to assemble my card, and so I grabbed that star piece of paper, cut it slightly smaller than 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and then I have grabbed 3 of differing sizes of dies, circle dies, and have used kind of this snowy paper. It's kind of got a little bit of a sheen to it. It's almost like a white metallic, and I have added some foam to the back of that, and then I will go ahead and place that over the patterned paper. And then basically I'm just going to take the owls and add them to the circles. I really wanted to fit all of the owls on one card, and so I really like the kind of starry background for each of them through those circles. And so I'm adding foam to the piece of, or the portion of the image that will be in the circle that has already popped up, and then I'm adding some liquid glue to the other portion that will be kind of flush against the paper. And so I'll go ahead and do this for all 3 of these little owls. And you might have noticed on the owl with the green hat, I colored his little face feelers or feathers or whatever they are. I thought it was originally part of the hat when I was coloring, and so that's why those are green. Those are actually part of his face though, but I didn't want to go back and recolor it because I think it turned out super cute, and so I just went ahead and went with it, and we'll just say that for my image it is a part of the hat. And so I also colored up the tree, but I couldn't fit it on there the way that I wanted to, and so what I ended up doing was cutting off the branches and then adding a branch for each of the owls to sit on. And then for the sentiment, it just says Merry Christmas, and that is from the ephemera pack. And so once again, I am going to add a little bit of foam and a little bit of liquid adhesive and just pop that on the card. And then I'm going to use a few of the silver circles from the this calls for confetti mix. And again, this one is called Snow Bloom, that is included in the box. And that's pretty much going to finish off my card. I added a few highlights using a white paint pen, and that will do it. I have seen some of the projects of the other design team members, and they are all super fabulous, so I hope you will follow us on the hop. Don't forget to go ahead and leave a comment and fill out your entry for the giveaway using the Rafflecopter link that is listed in the description. As always, if you like this video or found it informative, informative, please go ahead and give a thumbs up. Thanks so much for joining me today, and I hope to see you next time.